Hello! Here we have brand new flooring. 3/4 inch maple hardwood with a natural finish. This is $17,000 worth of flooring, and I still have a lot of work to do on this project. I have to tile the fireplace, set the kitchen cabinets, and install all the baseboards and door casings. The worst thing that could happen is I damage the brand new floors. Here is a little trick I use to protect my floors while I'm still working in the house. I first laid down a layer of builder paper. This protects the floor from any paint splatter, dust, footprints, and offers a very slight amount of scratch resistance. As you see, I am only taping the paper around the perimeter and to itself. I don't want to give the adhesive on the back of the tape an opportunity to mess up the finish of these floors. Along the perimeter, if something does happen, it is either A, easier to fix, or B, covered by the new baseboards. After all the builder paper is down, I will cover the flooring in 15-30 seconds BC plywood. That way if I drop anything, say a ceramic tile, the plywood will absorb the force of the blow, but the flooring underneath will be just fine. Also, when we go to install cabinets, I will be bringing my tools in and the cabinets in on a heavily protected surface, as well as rolling the appliances in with the appliance dolly. This will all be done on the surface of the plywood while the flooring stays protected. When the plywood is down, I will let it acclimate to the house over the weekend before I come back on Monday and tape all the sheets together with duct tape. I don't want them sliding around on me. Now you don't have to use 15-30 seconds plywood. I use it because I'll be able to reuse the plywood on a different project at a later time. You can use 1/8 inch utility panel or 1/4 inch ply. When you have $17,000 of beautiful maple floors underneath your feet, a few $100s is a minimal investment in your security.